Okay, here's the non-programmable version of my Master Trash Walker, based off of the trash robot off of Thingiverse for storing things. Here you can still use it for storing things, and just by using a simple servo controller, which you can pick up dirt cheap in the manual mode, you can then make it walk. And you make it walk any speed you want. You want to go fast, and you turn the knob fast. You want to go slow, you can go slow. So it's a very inexpensive way to do the project, and if you don't want to carry a lot of pens around, you prefer to print the head, I do have a head file printed, and let's plug its servo in. It also has lights, which I won't be connecting up here because I'm using them off the programmable version. So now, when you walk, are we in frame? Okay. You'll also have the turning head action. Just uses 2 servos for the walking, and 1 servo for the head, and a servo controller. So, you know, $10, $15 you can build the project. Or you can watch the video with the programmable one back there. Build video coming shows how to do both versions.